5 best iOS emulators for PC. So if you want the 5 best iOS emulators for PC, then here's what you need to do. First, you need to open up your browser. Now, if you want the closest and the most official iOS experience on your Windows, then the first one is Appetize. So go with appetize.io. It's one of the best cloud-based emulators available. It runs entirely through your browser and requires no installation, and is widely used by developers for testing apps, demos, and UI previews in a legal and reliable way. For developers who need advanced testing tools, SmartFace is the strong choice. It offers a professional development environment, debugging tools, device simulations, and cloud-based testing, making it ideal for enterprises and app creators who want a legitimate solution. Next we have is Corellium. It's a powerful high-end virtual device platform mainly used by security researchers and developers. While it's not for casual users, it offers legally authorized virtual iOS devices, performance testing tools, and deep system-level analysis. If you want something simple, you can go with lambdatest.com. It's easy to access. Lambda Test is a great option. They allow you to test apps, websites, and UI elements on virtual iPhones and iPads, all from a Windows browser. No installation or no complex setup required. Next, we have Sauce Labs. It's a simulator which is widely used and trusted cloud platform. They offer official device simulators, automated testing support, and reliable for anyone who needs accurate iOS behavior in your window. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.